guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a face cream which will really help in skin brightening, skin tightening and anti-aging. This homemade face cream is really effective in treating your dark spots, acne, scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as in making your skin really clear, bright, glowing and hydrated. This homemade face cream has all the natural ingredients into it, which also prevents wrinkles and fine lines. So it's one of the best anti-aging creams which will really brighten up your skin complexion and will clear all your dark spots and blemishes from your skin. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and you can also take normal water if you don't have rose water with you. And here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of rose water into it, and then mixing both these ingredients so that it makes into a smooth and a runny paste. And after giving a good mix, now we have to strain this paste so that all the lumps and the grains can remove from the turmeric paste. So after straining this paste, now we'll add some more natural ingredients into it to prepare our cream. So firstly, we're going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, you're going to need almond oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of almond oil into it. And after adding the almond oil, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they mix into a smooth paste and they all could mix with each other nicely. And after giving a good mix, now's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it makes into a smooth and a creamy consistency cream. And after nicely mixing all these ingredients, your homemade turmeric cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This homemade cream is really effective in treating your dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as to remove all the blemishes and acne scars from your skin. It's a highly effective skin brightening cream which also treats skin inflammation and really smooths and calm your skin. It has amazing hydrating and moisturizing properties into it as well. So it will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, and has also the power to treat your wrinkles and fine lines, and it's an amazing solution for aging skin. So definitely use this cream if you have any dark spots, acne scars, wrinkles, pigmentation marks, or you want just bright and glowing skin. This cream will give you that in a short amount of time. And the consistency of this cream should be really smooth, creamy, fluffy, as I'm showing you in the video. So now to store this cream, I'm using this small glass airtight jar. You can use any airtight container to store this cream. And I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar. And you can store this cream in room temperature, or you can even keep it in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And please remember that homemade solutions or home remedies usually have shorter shelf life because they don't have any additional preservatives into it, which makes it really good because they are completely homemade and completely natural. So always make a smaller batch so that you can use it within few days only. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So firstly, start with a clean face and then apply a little amount of this turmeric cream all over your face and neck, and gently massage this cream into your skin using upward and outward motions, and also pat it down into your skin for better absorption, and also apply a little extra on the areas where you have dark spots or pigmentation so that those area gets a little extra care. And if you have extremely dry skin, then you can also apply your regular moisturizer on top of this cream to prevent any dryness. And always use the sunscreen after applying this cream, because this cream is a turmeric cream and turmeric have curcumin into it, which does not go well with the sunlight. So always use the sunscreen after applying this cream, and if you're using it at night, then do apply sunscreen the next day. And for the best results, you should use this cream daily for few weeks to see visible results. And if you want even faster results, then do apply this turmeric serum before applying this turmeric cream. This will double up the results in short amount of time. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.